Hi, I'm Jason from Eastman Strings, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hold the bass. And the way we hold the bass is the same if we're sitting or we're standing, and it's all about getting this angle just right. This right rear corner here on my bass, that goes into this little nook on my left hip bone. So the bass sits here and the bridge is pointing out that direction. It's not pointing straight like this. It's not angled like this. It's just right in the middle. So I can put both of my hands right here on this neck block, and they're pretty much in the middle of my body. I'm not holding the bass way out like this. I'm not holding it way over like this. I'm just nice and comfortable with the bass here. And a lot of people, when they start on the bass, they want to rest the bass on their belly here, and sometimes they let the bass kind of come around like this. So you want to make sure that this is right here connected and it's nice and comfortable. If I turn my head to the left, I can kind of touch my eyebrow right here on the neck. So that's just a little bit about how to get settled in with the bass. And now we're going to do a play along. We're going to play 4 times on the G string. And then we'll go over and play 4 times on the D string. Here we go. 2, ready, G string. D string. G string, D string, G string, D string. One of the most important things when you're starting out on the bass or any instrument is to find a teacher. And you can get a recommendation from your school, your local music shop can give you a recommendation, but you want to find someone to work with, and then you can use these videos as practice videos. We're going to have a great time here, so thanks for watching.